Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I just want to do a quick unboxing of the RCA Cambio tablet portable 2-in-1 that I bought at eBay. I will provide the link below, and all. It's a 10-inch and it got a 2 GB memory and 32 GB SSD hard drive. It got a dual camera, and also it's actually Windows 10 laptop, and also as a tablet, and they're not as big as the traditional laptop that's usually 14 inches or 15 inches, right? So let's do a quick unboxing. Oops. As usual, it comes with a quick guide, warranty, and quick instructions on how to power it up and use it. Board, which you can also charge it using the USB and the lightning rod. So you got a small keyboard, which is ideal for entering stuff. And it's a 10-inch. Okay, let's power it up. Okay, so I'll test it for you, and I'll be back. Okay, thanks. I'm back. So here it is. You swipe it. Okay, it's booting up. So it's actually Windows 10. There's the control and the start button. It's actually right here. Actually, I already tested it, and I find it's quite responsive. I also loaded the usual one, Facebook, Twitter, on this, because this is actually like a tablet, and it got a Windows 10, and you can do a quick email, and also edit Excel and Word documents, and easily email it to your. Okay, thank you for watching my short quick review and unboxing, and if you could kind enough to subscribe to my channel, the links and specification actually I put below, so make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks again.